Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the currency pairs and as well as commodities and Bitcoin, S&P 500 and US 30. So before we get into this week analyzing through Elliott waves, this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment, and I am teaching how to analyze the Forex and commodities market and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliott vision trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through the comments in my post about the Elliott waves, and I keep learning the market every day. I won't trade according to the fundamental and sentimental. I will trading and traded with 100% technical only what I learned from the books, video clips and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because of the trading this business like a gambling. So I'm not asking any investments and not having any social media group like WhatsApp, Telegram and Facebook Messenger. Only I'm doing as a free in YouTube only. So be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. And I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trading or took the trade according to my trade plans explained here. So before we get into that, so one more watch list is same what we are doing in the every week. So let's start with the DXY. So this week I think what we expected we already did, and a lot of pips in Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, EU, everything, and dollar get and UCAD have achieved my target what I expected. So one by one we will I will explain that. Before that I need to show you that last week analyze what I have said in the YouTube last week. Same what I expected this one. It has to reach this zone. So it's already reached here. I think it could be a running flat. If it is a running flat, it can shoot from here, or if it is an expanded flat, it has to reach this zone. So I took NU and EU in short side only, but this is in that bullish trend. Here for the DXY is the downtrend, and for AU, EU, everything it is in bull side, but I looking only for that sell. I will explain you in that detailedly. So this is my past week YouTube what I said. I'm expecting little bit downside as a running flat or expanded flat. After that also I updated in the mid I think in Tuesday or Wednesday I updated exactly. It came to the downside and immediately I sold EU, AU, NU, everything, and UCAD I already in buy. So exactly it bounced from here. I expected maybe one or a little bit low to retest this trend line, but there is a lot of chances to make a high from here. So this is on updated on, see here at 23.6. This was updated. So 23 means on Tuesday I have updated this one. So let's move on to now live chart. They exactly did the same, and same I expected here, and again bounced. So now it's clearly it's a five-way structure. The 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5-way structure. So now this becomes a because I keep this as a W. This X is an expanded flat. So now we need to trade that Y wave. So in the Y wave contains of three waves A, B, C. So this is a connecting wave. So we need this kind of structure here. So it already did the five waves. So that becomes A. and it didn't break this high. So now I am expecting a three-way structure, whether it will reach again the 96.6, or if it is a zigzag corrective pattern or a bullish, it would retrace only 38.2 maximum. So in this zone, within this zone, again if it is bullish, it can get rejected from this zone, and then again it will reach to that 98.3 or 98.6 in this zone I'm expecting. So here I'm expecting this thing. So maximum it's 98.3 or yeah, from this zone I'm expecting. So in a five-way structure, so if it get this thing, because the B wave is a complicated one and it will be a lot of messy waves, a lot of 3-3 waves, it will be a complex correction also like this I'm expecting here. So this whole week will be a correction for the DXY because of this bullish wave. So we need a correction for this swing. So whether it could be a simple or it could be a complex also. Sometimes it will, like this kind of waves will be there also. So that is why I'm expecting here. So this is ABC is a W, X ABC is look like a bullish. So it could happen like this also here. Maybe a complex or maybe a simple. That we can't say here. It's according to the price action. So because of the B wave structure, I'm expecting maybe a simple or it could be a complex also. So expecting the simple, and the it may get a complex also, or expecting the complex it may be a simple also, and then you will miss the trade. So be aware of that. In every three-way structure, if it get completed in that 1 hour time frame, you just look for buy, and if it crosses above this high, it could travel up to this, or again it could be a little bit what I said, it's a irregular flat or complex correction, it could happen like this also. So let's move on to next, Euro USD. So before that, yeah, this is my past week analyze. I expected in the YouTube, I have already informed that I'm expecting this zone again for the connecting wave, and after that on the Tuesday I have updated Euro USD. Exactly it came, and immediately I short here at 1.333. I took a short, and I bought at yesterday. Again I booked the profit at 1.12. I booked the profit because there is a lot of chances to make another way to the upside. Again this could be a simple correction now, and if it get rejected from this zone, I'm expecting here again WX ABC. So that whole thing become a connecting wave here. That is why I have short here. Same thing. So that was my Tuesday analyzer. So now exactly came, but I took up my profit here at 1.12 here in this zone, because it's looking like the five-way structure is getting to complete here. So that is why I exited my position in this zone. Now there is a chances for making this wave. There is a chances only. I am not expecting this much because it could happen. If it happen and if it cross above this and if it break this high, that will become X also. Or if it didn't make that much high and if I get rejected from this zone, so that whole thing becomes, this whole thing is W, and this is a connecting wave X, and this will become A, and this will become B, and again C has to come to the downside. So come to this, I'm expecting this 1.0950 or 1.100. I'm expecting this zone. So this is also same thing. I am expecting a B wave. If it is an X is completed here, this is a. So again B has to travel here up to reach this zone, or if it is A, B, C, it can travel above this high, and then again I am expecting the fall. So the structure is not yet completed here, and one more low has to happen. So here we have to watch whether we have to short here or whether we have to short for here. And one more option is, this is for the regular flat. If this becomes a B, C, W, and this is a ABC A, and if it is a B, A, B, C can travel above this high also to took all the stop loss here, and then it will become an irregular flat, because this is, and the whole thing is a three-way structure. A, B, C. Now I'll change the color. So this is an A or W, this is a X or a B. So if it happen in a five-way structure, if it crosses here, or it will break this high, the whole thing becomes X, could be here also. So that will become an irregular flat, and again I am expecting a running flat if it didn't break, or if it breaks this, that will become a expanded flat. So this has a chances. So mind that whether it is getting rejected from this zone as a X, A, B, C, or that X could be another complex correction for the connecting wave here, one more wave as a regular flat, or it could be an irregular flat in X wave, and Y wave has to break this as an expanded flat, or if it didn't break, that could be a running flat. So mind that. And this is also an according to the DXY. Same I'm expecting here. That is why I have showed you, if it is a W, if it is an X, this could be A, B, C, and again it won't break this low, because we already keep this as an expanded flat. Already irregular flat is happened, so one more new low is not acceptable. If it happens, so that is become W, X, A, B, C. So this W becomes here. Simply we have to change the labeling, that's it. That is why I'm asking everybody, if you are deep in Elliott waves only, we can adjust the labels. Once it completed, after the price action only, we have to labeling. I'm expecting this as an expanded flat. We took this trade and booked the profit. Now I am looking for the three-way structure to complete that whole thing to reach this zone. But once the three-way structure is ended, I need an aggressive movement. Then only I will be in buy side, and immediately I will place the stop loss in the break even, or if it is an anchor, if it's the low, what is the low of that anchor, so there I have to place a stop. Simply I am expecting this one. The market won't give immediately what we think, so it can do like this also, or if it break this, we don't want to confuse anything. Simply we have to place this as a W, because this it's looking like a wedge formation also. So there is a chances for ending here. It's a W, X, A, B, and C. So this could be a W, and this is a one more W, and this is the connecting wave here. It can happen. After that, the connecting wave is completed, it can do an irregular flat here. It also, it can do like this. So mind that it can do anything. We need to trade according to the pattern. What we think, we don't want to do. We are expecting, just hoping like it can do like this also. So in any side, this is the confirmed trade. That is why we picked that and we booked the profit, and we are not holding that. I'm not holding that. So immediately we have to change our stop loss, and we need to look for that in a bullish swing as a dollar has a bullish swing. So now I'm expecting that Euro USD, what I explained here. So mind that it's very difficult to trade here in this zone. So 1 second. Yeah, we will sorry for that little bit delay. I'm just thinking one idea. Okay, let's see, we move on to the GBP USD. Same what I said, there is a chances, I'll show you that here. Yeah, there is a chances to this wave bounce, and then it can reach this zone. Exactly it here, from here it bounced. So after that I have updated the GBP USD. Now there is a chances to make a little bit for the three-way structure, and then it can do like this, and then it has a drop, or it can straight away it will break this low. I'm expecting this drop. So that is why I explained on Tuesday on 23rd here on TradingView also. So now we will see in the live chart it did the same, and it's now coming. But even though it already, if we kept this as an W, this is an intermediate W. So now we come to know this is not the B or X wave for this W or A, and B or X. This is not the end, because we already broke this low. So now what I'm expecting here is, I will delete these things. Now this is an impulsive wave here, whether it is a three-way or this is a bullish swing, and this is a three-way structure. So this is a three-way structure. So now what I'm expecting here, it's again a three-way structure, or it could be like this also, and then it will become X here, and again I'm expecting a three-way structure to reach this zone. So simply it's a B, C. For this one we are in the connecting wave. So this connecting wave is a three-way structure. After that again ABC for like this kind of wave, approximately at 786. This could be, because it's already broken this low, so whether it could be a running flat, or it can break this high to make an expanded flat also. So approximately if we keep this as a rejection zone, so I'm expecting that 786 as a 1.2170, or if it is an expanded flat like this, it will reach this zone, what I am expecting. And the trend line channel also supporting this as an end of this correction. So once the correction is completed, I am expecting to that 1.3100 or 1.3150 also. So this impulsive wave, for this impulsive wave we are in the deep correction. So I think you understand what I'm trying to say. So now I'm expecting here an X wave as an irregular flat of a running or expanded flat. After that once it completed this structure as a connecting wave, and again one more ABC like this, it has to happen here. So same thing what I said in Euro USD also and DXY also, it's correlated to with this GBP USD also. So let's move on to next pair. It's Australian dollar. I want to trade the GBP pairs. So once it reached, I expected that RBN as a news for the New Zealand has to break this low, sorry, this high. I expected that only. New Zealand did, but in Australian dollar it didn't broke this high. So now there is a chances Australian dollar is different and New Zealand dollar is doing different pattern. So it will move, keep on moving in the same direction, but the pattern is now changed. So here if it is an ABC, is a three-way structure, is a W. So I will that is why I need to labeling in front of you. That is why I didn't done this. I will show you how that label will keep on changing. And I need to change it. That won't change. We need to change according to the price action. So this is an impulsive way. So that could become A also. And then B, C, D, E. So that whole thing become it's a B, it's a C, and it's already broken, that it becomes a D. And here everybody will ask this, if it is a triangle we need a three-way structure, but here also this is not, it's looking like a, see 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5, and here is a one thing is pending. So this A, B, 1 2 and again 1 2 3 4 5, the 3 is completed, 4 and 5. So I took it as a B, C as a, and this is a B, and this is a three-way structure as a C, and here also ABC is a W and X, ABC. So it's looking like a five-way structure, 5 swings, but this is a confirmation of the three-way structure. So once it completed D, and here is the X way of completing, here will complete in this zone. So after this completion of the E wave, I am expecting to the downside. So in GBP USD, Euro USD also I am expecting the bounce. Here also it can do that, and if it completed here and it didn't break this high, so there will be a chances for making a triangle in X wave, and then again ABC has to reach this for the complete of just simple A, B and C. So this is a three-way structure. So one thing I am expecting like that, and another one is, one second, I will delete this. We will place it. Yeah, this is an, here this could be a. So because if it is in B way triangle also, you understand that. So everybody, we are looking for the triangle to the downside. What it will happen here is, this is an A, and here again A of red, we can change the label, B, C and again D. So D will complete it here, in this zone we can make it as a green and red. So once here it completes the E wave, B is an, if it is at all the things A, B, C, D, E, that A and B, C can go up to here, so that will become X also. So this is a triangle in between the intermediate B wave. So now what it will happen, simply it's A, B and C. One second. So from here it can travel up to here and then again fall. So this is an intermediate A, B and C. In the intermediate B is a triangle. So this will happen. We are expecting to the downside and we place the stop loss here. It will took all the stop loss and it will do like this. So here also is a three-way structure and here also a three-way structure, and then again it can come to the downside. Or it could make a irregular flat also. It can travel up to here and then it can fall also as an expanded flat. If it break this, if it expanded flat and it didn't break this low, that will become a running flat, and again it will won't reach here, it will shoot from here itself. So that is also one more view. And one more thing is, if it is a three-way structure, this could be a end of X also. And here A, and what I said, the B is a triangle and C can shoot from here. That is why I have in past I have posted like that, because it's very little bit just simple correction is there. So it may or may not, if it go above that and reach my zone of 1.7 0.72, so there is a chances for the end of X wave here also. So A, B, C, D, E, so that could be end of X here also, but it's not looking like a triangle here. So A, okay, A, B, C, sorry, no, 1 second, yeah, this whole thing becomes a A. We need to keep the Y here. A, B, C, D, E, then it can shoot from here itself. But the triangle formation is not looking like that. It is, in my experiences, whether it could happen like in the B way, intermediate way triangle, what I said previous, or it could be a X whole, the X wave is a triangle like here, and then it can it can break this low and to make a X wave, this X wave become here. After once it's completed, and then again expecting ABC. So that is an complete the structure. I need like this kind of structure or that kind of structure of the in the intermediate wave B, and then again fall. So I am expecting like that only, but this is also correlated to that DXY. So mind that, see New Zealand dollar, it's a different pattern, because this is an here ABCA, ABCB, it didn't break this low. One second, I will check. Yeah, 3826. Okay, 3811. Yeah, this low is 63811 and 63826. Okay, it did break. So now it is an irregular flat. So there is a chances for making a B, C, D, E, and then it can shoot from here also. Or if this is an W, X, now the A is finished or W is finished, the intermediate wave, and X, again A, B, C to come to the downside. So this could happen here as a regular flat. This was my past. I will show you here for that New Zealand, Australian. Yeah, This was my Australian dollar, what I said the past week. So it can travel up to here, I expected, but it didn't break this high, so immediately it came down. So this was my past week the YouTube analysis, and after that I have updated. Yeah, I didn't updated the AUD because it didn't broke that high. That is why I didn't update it. But in New Zealand I have updated this one, what I'm showing here. So exactly it reached this. I took a buy here and booked the profit here, and immediately I shorted here and I took the profit here itself. I won't expect to reach this zone. So that is why in the two trades I have did here. This is in the RBNZ news. At the time, immediately I posted on Wednesday, it's the RBNZ news, and I posted on the 23 and 23rd, 24th is that RBNZ news. Exactly it came, and I booked that 120 pips here. So now there is no trade for me. I will just keep on watching whether it will get rejected as a triangle or it could make a for a flat pattern here. So now, yeah, now it's looking like a three-way structure is completed, and it didn't broke this low. So it's not looking like a five ways. It could be or it may not. So that is not this thing. So we need, now I'm expecting this could be a B, C, B, and C can travel up to, on the Monday morning there will be a gap up open also. So I'm expecting whether it is a B wave and then C wave to the downside, or it could make a triangle A, B, C, D like that, and E. After the completion this will took off. Whether if it is a triangle, it won't break this low. If it is a flat pattern, it will broke this, it will break this low, and then it will retest this zone as a trend line is there. It's a bullish trend line. So again it will took a support, and then again I'm expecting for that three-way structure for up to 6.8 or 6.9 I'm expecting. So one more high is there. So at that time Euro USD can go high, one more high, it may or may not. GBP USD will reach that 1.31. So everything has a one more new high. At that time DXY has to reach here, and then again I'm expecting a fall. After that the 98.3 here in this zone, and I am expecting a fall to 94.5. At the time, every time EU may or may not, but GU, NU, everything will reach the high. After that, I'm expecting a trend reversal. So this also end of the W, and X will complete it here. Then A, B, C has to, my positional view is it has to reach and it has to break that 103.82. That is my positional view to complete this structure. So now let's move on to USD JPY. So before that, yeah, I think, yeah, this is the one. I expected here a bounce, but what happened, it came down and as an irregular flat. After that, immediately on Tuesday I updated from here, it has a chances for bounce up to 108.2 or 108.3 like that. 1 second, yeah, 108.2. I have did a market commentary also. If it does, I will be a sell side to short at 108.2 zone approximately for the target of below 105. So this zone, after that, after once it completed the structure here in the B wave, I am expecting the C wave, or if it could be an diagonal also here. So that is why I'm I had did the market commentary on 23rd itself. So now we move on to the live chart. Exactly did the same. Now it's a 5-way structure is completed. I took a buy here. How I have calculated that means it's a simple February retracement 1414, and this is the thing is 1272. Exactly I entered here 1272 at 106.3 I entered. I am having already one position at 108.6 from the past week here itself. So mind that, and this is also an immediate buy only. And what I did is, according to this trend line, what I have placed here, I exited here my position. What I took the buy at 106.3, I exited at 107 point. Here itself I exited 107.24 the high. I exited previous only, because sometimes it's look like a B C. It could be also A B C also. That is why I exited here itself 107.1. in the spike itself I exited. It came spike and then again immediately I exited here itself, and then again it made a high also and it respected this trend line and we are getting rejected here. So what I'm thinking now is, here WX, so A, now I am expecting the B wave and then again the C wave to the high, so that will become the end of the B wave. So once it completed at 108.2, see I am expecting this, but expecting this I won't be in buy side again, because I already did a one buy and booked the profit. Now I just want to listen, because I am already having that 108.6, 108.5 or 108.6. I am already having a buy. So please don't look for a sell here expecting this one. So I am expecting only to exit my position what I have bought here. So I have already booked the profit from here to here. It's nearly 90 pips. So if it comes in this zone, I will exit my position here in nearly 40 to 50 pips loss, because I already took the buy. I have booked the 90 pips, so evenly that will be a 40 pips profit only. I'm expecting the position in profit only. After this completion, I think I may sell, but at the time I need to watch the formation. Then only I have to remove, or at that time if I'm expecting this way, could be a double sell here, and I will hedge the position and then I will book the profit once it broke this low here. Once it broke the low, I will book the one what I have to book, that extra sell, and that will be hedge the position, and again I will release the hedge here. So that is my plan in USD JPY. So USD CHF, see from here I am expecting a X as a irregular flat. That past week also I have explained. From here it can go up like this, but what happened? It came down. So that is not the kind of invalid. I am expecting this. I didn't sell. it can do anything. So I just keep on watching, and I see, because I am in the UJ, that is why I'm not in UHF. Just I'm just watching only here, and I am already having the NU, AU, EU, and gold is for intraday, and the crude I'm doing that. So that is why I no need to put pressure on me. I don't want to take my risk, lot of risk. So it's a 4 to 5 open position is enough for me, and I won't took any trade if it isn't good opportunity. Also, I can do it in intraday. So a lot of pairs to watching and to trading is very tough for me. It won't suit for my personality because of like emotional, and I'm not an intraday player, so I'm not just a swing or a professional positional trader. That is why the intraday it won't suit for me, and that aggressive entry we need, and then in the spike we need to exit. So sometimes I will do, but not the all the times. So now I'm expecting this wave. So once it completed, I'm expecting the downside. How I'm expecting the UJ has to come to reach that 105. At that time, it has to reach this the zone what I am expecting at 93. So this is what I'm expecting, and just we will go to what I had UHF. Yeah, last week same what I explained here, but it didn't came here and then retested this trend line, and it didn't show. What happened? It broke the trend line. Now we are in here, and then I'm expecting a regular flat here, and I didn't update it here because this is a very slow moving here USDHF. That is why I didn't update it at the 23rd. So now we move on to next is UCAD we didn't done, so we will do that UCAD. So before that I'll show you that UCAD what we did in the last week. So what I expected here, 1 second I will pass this. It's looked like a three-way structure I needed, so I need to break this low, and it did. Anyway, see, I am having lot of things here. Anyway, it has to come to this zone. That is why I'm very confident. So what I did here is I'm exited the position here itself, and I placed the stop buy stop at here. I told that because it can do from here itself, but it's not not looking like that. So that is why I just keep on waiting for it has to break this. Immediately it break, and immediately I entered at 1.3510. I entered at 1.3510. I entered. So once I entered, I will show you that. I think it's here. Exactly, it came down what I said, and here it didn't broke that time, I think so. So that is why I am expecting a regular flat or a triangle here, but it already broke the low. Immediately I entered. So now we look on that USD CAD. We'll move on to the 1 hour. See, at that time here it didn't broke that low, and here it break, and immediately it bounced. So that is why I entered here. After that wave formation, it broken this line, the trend line, this red color trend line, and then I entered at 1.3150 for the target of 1.71725 I am expecting. So it did, but I exited here itself. once it break, but it's not a complete structure. Even though I exited here itself, I won't wait for to hit the target, because sometimes it will be spike, because I won't place any sell order. I will just keep on watching that if it is nearing the take profit. Sometimes we will miss by 1 pip or 0.03 pip also. So that is why while it's arriving at TP, I want to be so greed immediately. Once if it broke this high, I exited my position at 1.3680. I exited my position, but it reached again the 30 pips. I don't mind that, because I have already bought at 510 and booked at 170 pips. That's it. I removed this. Once I bought here, I removed my buy stop. I don't want to add more, because I know whether it will reach here. After that, I need a rejection here, because it's a bullish trend line. It's a channel. It's a bearish trend line. It's a channel. So anyway, we will get nearly 100 pips for that rejection, and we will get a consolidation. Then only it will bounce back. What I'm expecting here is 1.39 or 1.420, like that, in future, in coming trades. So if that is why I exited my position. And one more doubt was, I'm expecting this zone has to reach this structure. See here, I need to explain more, so please listen. It will took more time to this chart, because see, this is an impulsive wave. If it is a three-way structure, I make it as an A or W, whatever you can do that. And if whole thing is become B, it's a very simple to tell like this, and it already did, the target is over. It's not like that. What is the structure is completely here, it's completed or not, or still alive. Why I am expecting one more wave to the high? That is my question. Because see, for me that structure is incompleted here. Even though if it break this high and reached my target also, I am not satisfied with this wave. Because see, every time if it is a W, so this is an intermediate wave W, this is a three-way structure. It's a B and C is a three-way structure, or a Z, whatever it can do, this zone. So once the three-way structure, I need again a three-way structure. It did A, B, C. So this is a W, this is a X. So A, that is why I expected from here as a to the downside. Why I expecting here? Why I didn't book the profit here? I bought at 1.3510. Why I didn't book the profit here? That is a question mark, right? Because I didn't updated any chart after that. Because see, I don't want to unnecessarily you want to confuse. Because once if it is an A, B, C, B, okay, C is right, is a W, X means again three-way structure has to reach here. But here in this zone, once it bounced here, I am not satisfied in this zone also. So what I thought in my mind is that complete structure is ABC. Now it's changed to this is an A, this is an B. For example, I am telling, so this becomes that C. I am just took it as an this W as. Here is an expanded flat. Here it's also an expanded flat. That is my doubt. It's already completed as a W, and here what it will do is this becomes a A, here ABC is a B, and the C is a 5-way structure. So once this ABC is the AX, then what we have to do is, this is a 1, 2, 3, and this is a triangle. That is why I have last time also, whether it is X is completed here or this could be a also. So if we took it this as a triangle here, or ABC A, ABC B, and ABC C, so this could becomes a W here also. So if we make it this as a W, so the whole thing becomes another W. Now there is a chances for making a X here also. So once A, B, C is completed in a simple way of forming, I'm just explaining here. The intermediate could be an W, X, Y, or whatever it is. Just we simply understand, we need to understand that, the characters. So now what I'm expecting here is maybe a drop, because in EU, GU, AU, NU, I'm just looking, the DXY also has to come down. So at that time, dollar is losing the strength, and I need the crude has to be a little bit bounce. So this could have an aggressive fall again to make a running flat, or it could be an expanded flat here also. Again it can reach this zone and it will break again this low also. Why means, see, from here to here the fib retracement, it's exactly we are below that 1272. So there is a chances for making a irregular flat in the intermediate wave X, and this could be continue as an ABC, or it's a diagonal or Y wave, whatever it is, for the expanded flat or running flat. So now there is a chances for making that, and then immediately it will bounce after once they're completed. So that is why I didn't exit my position here expecting that X, because once the three-way structure is we need to complete, I'm expecting here it didn't came and immediately it went there, means there is a chances for making a irregular flat. And one more, I'm teaching you how to make that trend line. See, from here there are lot of touches here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's every time it's touching here and bounced here, here also bounced, here also bounced. Here what we did is it's already broken and then retested, and again it made that low. Now it broke. So now what I'm expecting here, we just have to clone this, just place the trend line where it again that retested. So there is a number of touches here getting rejected and then make a new low. Again what it did, it's already broke and retested this zone. Again it went high and again it's retested this zone. So there is a chances for making again to retest this zone. That is why I'm expecting for that expanded flat in this. So just we kept the fib expansion level A to the rejection of B. That 1272 is exactly here, 1272 or 21414. But keeping and mind this thing, I'm not to be in sell side. Mind that, because it's looked like one ABC is over and this is an impulsive wave, and this looks like an corrective structure, and then this looks like an impulsive, but this impulsive is for this, not for this. So every time I'm looking only if it isn't confirmed, if it is an intraday, I will took and then immediately I will book the 50 pips in intraday. But even though if it is for the positional wave or positional swing trade, I'm again looking to break this high above. It has to break 1.371, but it will took more consolidation here. Then only I will be in buy side. So there is no trade for me here until it confirms whether it is what I am doing any mistake in this view, or what I am expected is one more high is possible. So there is no confirmation for me. I had a doubt whether it could be like this also. So once if it get rejected, if it came this zone, if it get rejected, let's see how it works here. If there is an aggressive fall, or if it is consolidation and then it will spike, let's see. But anyway, I will be in buy side once it confirmation, after the confirmation only. And here once again we need to clone this. Just we need to place this C. This is a triangle, so just we keep this here, and this trend line, see this channel also, this trend line channel, this is a positional view. See this trend line also meets here. So that is why I am expecting again that 1.3950, and if it again bounced from here, see these are all thinking only. See here, this can reach this zone also again. So what are these zones? It's all the previous resistance zone. Why I am expecting here? Here is a previous resistance zone. Previous it was support, now it is a resistance zone. That is why I am expecting this zone and this zone. So and I already, once again I will just remove all those things, lot of drawings, and it will confuse you also. Here whether, that is why I have already placed this, if it is a W or A, if it is a X or B. If we keep it as an X, this could be A, B, and then C is completed. Or if we place A, B, and C is means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. So both the thing is valid here. And one more is according to the fib expansion level. This is a W, and then the rejection of X, it's already did 100% in this low, it's already did. So this is AB is equal to CD pattern. So unnecessarily we don't want to look for that downside for 1.3. So what I'm watching here and what I'm looking and what my mind is thinking is the same. We don't want to unnecessarily to sell here expecting for the target of 1.31. If it comes to 1.3 or 1.31, you can blindly buy that. It will bounce because of the 5-way corrective structure. In previous also I told that if it is a W and if it is a X, again ABC has to come to that 1.31. I told like that only. But the structure here, it's not confirmed me. It's looking like it can go again to reach this zone, and then again it can reach to this zone also. So if it reach, we need to see a lot of waves here. Then what it will happen, right? This becomes a B, a C, and the whole thing becomes a B and C. So again we need for expecting the lower levels, again ABC, or it could be a C 5-way structure. So simply we have to trade like this only. Unnecessarily we don't want to expect that 200 pips stop loss, so we will look for the 500 pips. It's not like that. See, if you take that sell here, expecting have a little bit stop loss of here, expecting this here, that structure is not yet completed. So how I can took that sell? I'm having this kind of doubt. Maybe it can travel up to this and then immediately it can bounce. So that is the one chances. So anyway, I'm looking like a rejection there. So let's see, because once I got a doubt, I will be in buy side only, because once my mind says my indication is whether it will reach to 1.3950 or 1.4210. So how can I will be in sell side? Even though if it isn't for intraday, I can took, but not for the swing trade. Okay, let's move on to next, gold. So first I will explain what we did on gold. Yeah, what I expected here is rejection A, B, C. It has to reach that as an irregular flat for that 1774 to 1778, what I thought, right? But it didn't came here, I think so, because I didn't watch that gold, because I will be busy in that NU trade and UCAD. That is why I didn't trade, but I'm not trading the gold here. I said several times, there's a lot of waves confusing, all three waves. Now I'm explaining that also, I will do that. After that I updated here, it didn't came here. What happens is an it did a running flat here. I'll show you that. So here simply A, B, C, it's done. And what I did is I took a sell at 1772 and immediately I booked at 1760. I don't wait for that to reach here, because it's not yet confirmed what it will do. So this is my updated on 24th for the gold. So what I did here, it already extended and reached the 1779. 1778.46 is the high. So here it's a lot of confusion starts again, because what in the previous I said, I keep this as an A, B, C as a Y, and I am expecting the Z wave, the positional Z wave has to yet to come. It's not yet completed, and the structure is also not yet completed here. And this three-way structure, if it is a X or if it is an ending diagonal, this could be an 1, A, B, C as a 1. From the past 2 weeks I'm just working on for that only, ABC 1, ABC 2. So this could be end of the ABC 3. So if it is a fourth wave, it could be a triangle and it can shoot. That is why I have explained here, it's a triangle, or if it is an irregular flat, if it is an expanded flat, it has to break this low, or if it is a running flat, it can go either side. That is why I have explained here. So again I will show you that. Yeah, this is for running flat. Anyway, I am expecting the downside. That is why I exactly shorted at 1770 and then I booked that immediately at 1760 in here itself. But after that also consolidation, I don't know whether how it will move, but if it moved to that 1770 again, I would be in sell side. But what happened here is, it's looked like a triangle and then it broke to the downside. So I'm not in this trade. I just simply I sold it here and then I booked at 1760 itself. Here itself I booked. I didn't wait for that to consolidate, because this is only for the intraday. I know there is a rejection here in 15 minutes in the early morning itself. I have did that immediately. It's 1760 after this. So in this spike only I just exited my position. So now what I'm looking here is the same plans. I'm not changing anything. Once it can reach that 1640, or it could be a triangle. So that is one view. The 1, 2, 3 is ended here. We are in the fourth wave and fifth wave to make. But what that one more is, if I stick to the previous view, this could be in W, means we are still in the irregular flat here. How means this is A, B, C as an A. So here it's B. If it is a W, X, A, B, C. So once again here it is a Y and X, Z is completed. Once again I will show you here detailing. I will hide these things. I'll just make a screenshot and I will explain here. So this is an end of Y wave. Yeah, I'm expecting a X because this is looking like a three-way structure, even though I have explained that several times. This for me it's not looking like a 5 waves. So this would not be X wave, whether it could be a first or second. So we are in the third wave, fourth wave, again it has to come, and the fifth wave has to go up for that ending diagonal pattern. Maybe it can do like that. But if we keep this as an W, it's a single bracket, okay. Here again it could be a W, yeah, sorry, 1 second. Okay, this is an W, it's a single bracketed W, and this one, if it is a W, X, this is an A, this is a B, and C is completed, means again W. So we can make it change the color of W. So this is an X, A, so B is a triangle, and C is get completed. So this is the complete structure of Y. W, X, A, B, C is a Y, or we can make it as an Z also here. Or see, this is a one way, and here itself it has to, sorry, from here itself, if it is a wave, it's a corrected. If I did a correcting, the way I labeling is a correct, it has to come to this zone without breaking this high. Once again it already broke the high, so that means we need to change the labeling here. This is not an acceptable for that. So what I have to do is, this ABC is a B, C is a W. So again I will label that A, B, C is a W, X, this is an A. So whole thing, if it is a structure of B, C could be a 5-way structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5. So according to this pattern, we need one more way, right? And one more idea, one more of way of labeling is, if we keep this as a W, A, B, C is a W, it's a X, so here is an A, it's a B, C is completed, so Y, and here is again we need to make an X, A, B, C. So according to this, Y is completed. Okay. Okay, it's not coming, I think so. Yeah. So Y is completed here. So if it completed here means we are in the downside. So where it has to come? Again, that according to the Fib retracement, this structure has to placed here. So at that time, that X of red completed. So A, B, and then that double bracket X will come here, the close bracket. So this whole thing becomes an irregular flat. That is why there are a lot of options, everything is valid here. So what we have to do is, I won't trade this kind of structures, because lot of options, lot of possibilities means how we have to trade. No need to unnecessarily lose my money here expecting the one. But every time what it's saying is, after this 1800, if it is a 5-way structure for the past view, we can sell there. So I'm just looking only for the sell, not for buy at this zone. I won't be in buy this zone, even though if it went to the 1850 also. I just simply watch, and then if it is any confirmation only, I will took the trade. So I know means everything, lot of possibilities how I have to trade means I won't trade here. If I'm just, my indication is to sell means I will sell in small lot and then I won't place any stop loss. That one we have to do. But in this zone, I won't trade here, because lot of options, lot of opportunities, lot of possibilities. So if there is any confirmation, I will update it here. So simply I'm expecting to the downside, but it's only for that shorter term. That one more high is in the 3-way structure is ahead for you, more than 1825 or 1850, or it could travel up to here, it could be ended also. So that is why I'm not sure about that. I need to concentrate more what kind of pattern here it's doing. So if we simply keep this as an 1, 2, so everything it's a 3, so 4 is a triangle, what I said in the previous. If it is in perfect for that 1, 2, 3, so 4 is in the action, it's not yet clear, and 5th way has to come for the ending diagonal. So we will stick to for that only. I will stick for that only. If it does this, let's see how the wave formation here it's happening, whether it is a triangle or a flat. But one structure is ahead for me, that is guaranteed for me. Let's see. But one wave is ahead, I am not in buy side. I will look only for the sell at the higher levels, not here. For the intraday, I will be in sell side, not in the buy side. But once the trend and the market structure is confirmed me in any other pattern, I will be in buy side, but with the stop loss here. Only for the sell I won't place any stop loss. If it is in buy, I will keep the stop loss strictly, because my positional view is it has to reach at least 1350 again. This zone is again, whether if it is a ABC is a three-way structure, and again ABC is a three-way structure, if it is making a triangle also, it has to reach minimum is 1375. So $400 from here. So unnecessarily I don't want to be in a buy side if it happens, because I'm not sure about this whether the structure is completed or not. So I don't want to risk my capital here in buy side. If it is a sell side, it won't go above that 1850. Maybe if it goes to the $200 also, it becomes a 1950 or 2000, but there is no higher opportunity to go above that also. So that is why I'm not trading here. There is no confirmation, just I'm explaining you. I'm expecting that 1350 I can be in sell, but I won't place any stop loss at 2000 or 1900, 1950. Just keep in mind and watch the wave formation. If it any confirms, then I will add more, and then immediately I will just book that in every three-way structure or five-way structure like that, and keep on playing that. Holding this, I will play in that higher levels. So that we have to do. So let's move on to that silver. Silver also same as gold. So there is no trade. Just I bought it here on Thursday. I booked here itself. Again what it came yesterday here, and then again it bounced. So only this intraday trade I took, but not all those things. How I took the trade means, see here. Here it's in rejection. So it's already, I know whether it has to break this high. But even though I know, I booked the profit at here itself. I bought at 17.46 in this zone. I booked the profit here itself. 17.750 I booked the profit. Even though I know whether if it is coming to break this high, but it can do anything, right? So unnecessarily I took it for an only intraday, so I did the book the profit and I exit. That's it. Forget that. Don't again and again, you don't want to take risk your zone. This is the confirmed trade, so I took the, and immediately I booked the profit. Just exit. Don't look again and again this, because we are in that simple correction. Whether it is making a regular flat or a triangle, we didn't know anything. Sorry, I didn't know anything. In my knowledge, according to my knowledge. So let's move on to the Bitcoin. That is also didn't anything. It's not. It's already lot of messy. See here. From the past, from here itself, I didn't took any trade once it reached that 9,000 zone. From April, there is no trade here. It's making lower low, and then again it's doing that higher high here. But in that 4 hour, same. It's keep on rejecting in this trend line. So once if it break this 8100, 8100, next I will look for the trade. If it reach here, after that I will took a sell, but not immediately. Again there will be a pullback. After that only I will took a sell, not immediately. So there is no trade for me in here. It's looking like a triangle. Let's see what kind of here it's whether if it is an intermediate B wave triangle, means if it comes to the downside, it has to come to the downside, or if it is an bullish triangle, it has to break above this high. Let's see. Next we will move on to crude. I didn't done that. Okay. Crude also I need to explain you, and again it will took a little bit late, and it will took time to explain. I will see this in W2I COUSD also. W2I XFX Texas oil. Here it's looks like completed. The five-way structure. The 1, 2. It's a diagonal wave. So ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is expanded the third way. So we will put it, make it as a marked as a W, X, A, B, C. The third is completed, and it's already exactly the trend line was getting rejected in this zone for the bullish. It took support. It's taking the support here. And once that fourth way is completed, the fifth way is also in diagonal formation. It's ABC1, ABC2, A, B, C is the third. So 4 is in running flat here, and ABC is a 5. So once it is completed in this zone, but what I'm expecting here is in US oil, I'm expecting still we are in that. This is the new thing. In past, I'm expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth way is got extended. So that 3 is here. I placed in the past 2 weeks. What I said is this is the end of the third. This is the end of the third. It's not here. It's here. Yeah, this is the end of the third. And I'm expecting the fourth way as a triangle. Fifth way has to shoot above the 44 levels I'm expecting. But at that time, I just have a look for the WTI COUSD. This already completed. It's look like already completed. So there the confused start for me. So again what I did is, this could be an end of, because that time I placed the fourth way here and the fifth way got extended, so I placed the third way here. But in previous, what I did is, this is the end of the fourth way and fifth way, the third way is completed, fourth is a triangle, fifth is ended here. But after that only I had an idea whether it could be an extender also. That is why I have explained you from the past 2 weeks we are in that fourth way. Just we will see that also. What I showed you. See, this is the end of the third. A, B. So whether we are in that triangle, or if it is in coming to that as an expanded flat or running flat. So I'm expecting still the fifth way is ahead. But compared to that WTI, it seems I stick to my world. See, I updated again the same thing. So now after watching that WTI, that price action, so now again there is a confusion started for me, whether if it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is ended after 3, 4, 5 means here is the end of the wave 1. So here it is making a irregular flat. So it's doing the same thing. So whether according to that UCAD, I am expecting that bullish scenario. It can also, if it goes that UCAD is in bullish, so this is in bearish. So at that time what it will do, it's a 5-way structure is completed here and we are in that irregular flat. Once this channel was broken, and here also the channel broke, so that time itself I need to alert, but at that time I bias on my wave count. I'm still looking for that, but even though I'm not getting any, I don't here I took the buy and immediately I booked the profit expecting here, but here I did make a sell and book the profit. But once it confirmed it, if it is in consolidation, I didn't done anything from here. I have placed the order at 42.25, but it didn't trigger my sell. It went a high of 41.24 or 41.61 is the high, but I placed at 42.25, expecting this the 1272 from here to here. If it is in a irregular flat, that is why I have placed 42.25. I have placed, but it didn't trigger, and again here it is getting rejected in the zone itself. See this trend line also exactly the resistance zone, and we are getting rejected. So now I am expecting this has to be retested again the high, and again I am expecting this one for the C wave. So whether if it is a or W, this becomes a B or X. So this becomes A, B, and then again C. So bigger W, and the correction is started. So once the correction is started means UCAD is going to higher also. So if it completed that wave 1 here, I am expecting at least a 50% retracement for the wave 1. Nearly, if it is a 50%, is $20. So where is the $20 here? It's exactly that major support zone. So again we will retest the $20 or $21. So not in straight line, it has to make a lot of things here and keep graining low, and then it will take off for that next impulsive wave, whether if it is a 1 or A, because it's a 5-way structure and we are in the downtrend. So it's already done a 0, but even though whether we didn't know about it is making an impulsive or A. So if it is a 1 or A, B will be a more complicated. So mind that, or it could else what I said that UCAD, I will show you again. From this zone, if it is completed, what I said, if it comes to that 1.31, crude will make chances for accepting this as a bearish channel. If it is a W, this as an X, A, B, C, if it goes to that 1.31, US oil has a chances for making to $44 what I expected the previous. So whether for me, and see each and every in investing.com it's looking different, in W2A is looking different, US oil is looking different, in IC market it is looking different. So it's very tough to analyzing in this script, but approximately we can identify. See how I have identified the WTI price action to and correlate this, and how I am trading this. Like that we have to do that. That's it. So according to me, whether the 1 is completed here or still the 5th way is ahead. So that we didn't know, but anyway, look for sell for expecting here in this zone. So once if it broke this channel, so we will place one more here. So one more here, it can happen. So once it reaches this zone, be buy side, and if it reaches here, be in sell side. But if you know about this kind of wave structure, keep on changing according to the price action. That is why my commentary said I will keep on changing my wave count, and I don't want to stick to anything. So let's move on to S&P 500, SPX. So I'm not updating because I'm not trading this. So that is why I didn't update it in the mid part. So once this is in WAX, A is finished. So I'm looking for the rejection for the B wave and looking for the C wave. That is the thing. Simply what I'm looking here now is one more high is possible. Whether if it is an irregular flat or it's a regular flat. If it is a regular flat, again we will see one more wave to the downside. If it is a irregular flat, means it will go above this level, and we need to keep the fib retracement. So at the 1272 we need to short, or 1.414, for the looking for the running flat or expanded flat. That is the profit, and we need to book the profit there. Don't hold the position. So we are already in that 786. We are already in the 786, and it's not above that in that daily chart, or we'll see that in weekly chart. It's not close above that. See, we are just getting rejection in this zone. So let's move on to US 30, Wall Street. And here also I have updated, I think so, US 30. Yeah, what I said, it can go up to this zone, and then immediately I need a rejection. After once it reached, I am looking for that buy, and then again it has to reach this. So this is the thing for this. The dotted line is for expecting that irregular flat, like the crude, what it did. Whether we didn't know whether it is a triangle or an irregular flat. Triangle for the fourth wave, or irregular flat for that B wave or W wave. So here also same thing, and I didn't update it after that. So now exactly it rejected here and did. So my expectation is to the higher levels, but what it said here, I just didn't update it here. I just updated up to this, and then again I expecting a three-way structure, but it's not looking like a three-way structure. It's a five-way impulsive wave. It's a 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. Press 4 and 5. So after this, it's a A. After the completion of the W, X, and we already did 786 for that AB is equal to CD pattern. 786. So this is not the completion of the Y wave. This is the completion of the X wave. Sorry, A wave, and we are in the B wave. So right now what I'm expecting here is a little bit one more high of like that UJ, what I said. It could be an irregular flat and then again fall. At that time we need to place the trend line here. So this will happen in coming days, what I'm expecting. So once it's completed, the Y wave is completed, so this becomes a B, and C wave has to shoot here for a here. So I'm expecting here is also bullish, means so stock has to bullish. So then gold what will do? It's now correlated to the DXY, and stocks, the gold is moving. So once here the fall, gold is also fall. It's not correlated here on the Friday, and then immediately it bounced back, right? But stocks fall. So that is why the correlation is very difficult, but it will move according to the positional views. So once if it get ready for that correction is completed, I am expecting a bigger one. It's nearly 24,800 or 25,000 approximately. It's already broken that. It's 24,973 is a low. Even though I am expecting little one more low. So whether it could be an high, means I need this kind of impulsive wave here. Whether it is making a one more low and it will make a irregular flat in the B wave, then only in the expanded flat it will go above this high, or if it is an if it already broken this low means that will become irregular flat, maybe a running flat or expanded flat. Only in a expanded flat it will break this, or if it is a running flat it won't break. So what it will do, simply it will get rejected from this zone. So anyway, if it goes to the downside or if it get rejected from this zone, I need this kind of wave formation, whether as an irregular flat or whether it is an regular flat. So at that time gold will fall or gold may fall. I'm not sure about that. So the DXY also, what I'm expecting, once it reached that zone below, it has to shoot. I will show you once again the DXY. Here dollar is falling means may stock can go high. After once it reached this zone here, gold here of US 30 expecting a fall, this fall. So that is my correlation. For this one I'm expecting a fall in DXY. For after the completion of this fall, so dollar will get strength. And if the dollar strength again means gold can go lower. So let's see. I think I finished all. Yeah, Bitcoin, crude, silver, gold, UHF. Yeah, everything we finished. So thanks for watching my videos through Elliott Waves, and have a nice week and trade safe. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.